92 green C34 here, and do the eat 2 bananas and drink some Sprite challenge. So hell yeah. Jake, you want to hold this and point it in my vicinity? He's eating beefaroni, and
it's good.
He's having a hell of a time with it.
I just put my fork back in after I dropped it on the floor.
Alright. So, first you're supposed to eat these bananas. Proper way to open a banana is by, doing it this way. If you do it any other way, you're doing it the wrong way. What a gay looking food. How do you eat this without looking gay?
What are you? You mashed it and then ate it.
Ate a bunch of jerky before I started this, so it's gonna be a pretty sweet challenge. Apparently, it makes you burp a lot, so any burps in this video dedicated to rugby721. Last I knew, he was in the hospital still, so yeah, get well, buddy. Let's see if we can get the shit open. That imported bottled Sprite from Mexico, but still Sprite.
Oh, sorry. About to drop the camera.
Oh yeah.
Amazingly, it's hard to eat ravioli with one hand out of the can. Oh, fucking. Okay.
Now, each of these are 12 ounces. It's supposed to be a liter. There's 355 milliliters. Yeah, in each of these. So, 3 of these is over a liter. Tastes like jerky.
How's it settling in the stomach so far?
It's
Feeling any change, or?
feeling pretty full, but I think it has something to do with all the jerky I ate.
Did you eat all of it already?
Oh, I still have 1 beef and cheese and 1 teriyaki stick. But I had like 4 or 5 Slim Jims and like just different kinds. And, one of them really big stick ones, whatever the hell they are. I don't know. Anyway, had those.
Alright, I didn't know if we mentioned, but there is no time limit on this challenge.
Nothing, apparently.
Apparently, but
everything I've seen.
I think, it'd be...
I've watched the whole 2.5 videos on it, so I'm an expert.
Seems to be most effective if you do it like in 5 minutes, but... Who knows?
Very filling. Jerky is greasy. That's the hardest part of the challenge so far. No.
We should have almost drank just for this.
So when I puke anyway for all the beer in the stomach? Yeah.
See how well it sets with the bananas instead of the Sprite?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, man. Ooh. That helped. Who comes up with these ideas? Like, oh yeah, this sucks, let's do it, you know?
So you getting like that full feeling or like that sick full feeling? It's
like full.
Not
it's not really sick, but what makes it kind of like sick is because of all that fucking meat stick, right? I go to burp that up, I'm getting like, you know, kind of meat, you know, grease burps, and it makes you like, oh, that's gross, you know.
Should have had some of that angry Sasquatch then.
Yeah, angry Sasquatch.
Should have stuck with the happy.
Yeah, that would have helped. If you're gonna eat, you know, a pound of fucking jerky before you start this challenge, I recommend not getting the spicy one.
Yeah. How much you got now? Oh, damn. Atta boy.
How much time I got left?
Oh, you're at 7 minutes right now.
Oh, shit. No, whatever.
Oh, there's no time limit, so. That's that. So.
Oh, man.
We shall sit and let it brew for a little bit.
That is, that's pretty miserable.
It's kind of made me more hungry.
I got more bananas and more Sprite, Jake.
I wonder how that would look after that.
All that beefaroni.
Yeah, that fucking cheese ravioli. I still got one more can I gotta go down yet.
Oh man, this is a bitch. It is a filling thing. Oh well. Well, at least I got it. Oh, yes. Banana.
See what it looks like coming up.
Oh. Banana peels weigh 400 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh. That Pop-Tart and taco meat sandwich.
I forgot about that too.
Pop-Tart and taco meat sandwich with sour cream and cheese and lettuce. Whew. Yep. That was well, blueberry Pop-Tarts, and then I had blueberry like bread shit. It was like, man, a blueberry muffin, but I had like a pound of butter on it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, at least the pan's starting to subside. I think anybody should be able to do this. Just don't eat all the jerky beforehand. That's really what makes it tough. Yep. Well, I don't know how much wrapping up on the video I should do, but I don't feel the need to puke. I feel like I'd feel more comfortable if I puked, but I don't have to. Jason, yes, do it. Everybody knows I can puke on command. But,
everybody enjoys a good puke.
Yes. Check out my puking tutorial videos on Logan's Farms channel and my own. I can do it. But pretty much is the end of it.
All right.
So Jake's got sketty all over himself. Oh yeah.
Boy.
So Yes, yeah, you could do it. It's not too undoable, but watch your diet beforehand. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, have a good day.